While coming to the present content of the video, so it is official website of the National Testing Agency where we can apply the UGC NET June 2020 online application, or else the information bulletin also you can get from this one. So here I got the two information bulletins of the June 2020, and it is December 2019 information bulletin. So coming to both these two notifications, if you see here the UGC December 2019 information bulletin, here we're having the exemption. In each and every notification of this UGC NET, we'll be having this exemption column or this topic. So what are the candidates can be exempted to this UGC NET exam? So the 3 points are mentioned. So the first point is NET, SET or SLET shall remain the minimum eligibility condition for the requirement and appointment of assistant professor in universities or colleges or institutions. In this record, exemption from the NET, SET or SLET will be governed as per the UGC regulations and amendments from time to time. And second one is the candidates who have passed the UGC CSIR or JRF examination prior to 1989 are also exempted from the appearing in NET exam. Next, for state eligibility test candidates, for the SET qualified candidates, the candidates who have cleared the state eligibility test accredited by UGC for assistant professor held prior to 1st December 2002 are exempted from appearing in the NET and are eligible to apply for assistant professor anywhere in India. And for SET held from 1st December 2002 onwards, the qualified candidates are eligible to apply for the post of assistant professor only in the universities or colleges situated in the state from where they have cleared the SET. So what it means is that the candidates who cleared the SET exam before 1st December 2002, they can apply for the assistant professor job all over the India. But the SET candidates who qualified after 1st December 2002 are qualified or they are eligible to apply for the assistant professor in universities and colleges only in that particular state from which they are cleared the state eligibility test exam. So it is the third condition in this exemption for the eligibility of the NET exam while coming to the notification of the UGC NET December 2019. But while coming to the recent notification, that is UGC NET June 2020, so in this one, while coming to the same exemption topic, here you can see that first and second topics are same. And coming to the third point, for state eligibility test candidates, the candidates who have cleared the SET by the UGC for assistant professor held prior to 1st June 2002 are exempted from appearing in the NET and are eligible to apply for assistant professor anywhere in India. That means here they mentioned that the candidates who cleared the SET exam before 1st June 2002 are exempted from this NET exam, from this NET June 2020 exam, and they can apply anywhere in India. But the candidates who cleared after 1st June 2002 for this SET exam are eligible to only apply the particular state from which they cleared the SET exam. So here they mentioned 1st June 2002 before and after, but while coming to the information bulletin of the December 2019, here they mentioned 1st December 2002. So it is a change that I observed while coming to both these two notifications. So the candidates who are writing the NET exam for the first time or else from the past 10 years, so this point is not affected to them. But the candidates who cleared the NET exam in 2002, so it is a very big issue to them. So definitely they have to clear this point, and as per this point, just decide yourself whether you have to attempt the exam or not to attempt the exam. So it is a change I observed, and it is the update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. For more updates, please subscribe, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.